guys and welcome back to my channel. Since marami sa inyo ang nagre-request ng part 2 tutorial ng Xero, so this is it. Ngayon ay magpo-focus tayo sa chart of accounts. So kung gusto nyo ang topic na to, please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang mamiss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado,
let's get started!
ayun! Let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kajea, virtual assistant, executive assistant, bookkeeper, accountant. So kahit anong work pinapasok ko, basta online, kasi online work is, say it with me,
Amazing!
ayun, amazing! Sa channel na to, didiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung gusto nyo ang mga topic na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kang mamiss na videos i-upload ko in the future. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang part 1 ng Xero tutorial ko, please make sure na panoorin mo muna siya bago mo ipagpatuloy ang video na to para meron ka ng idea kung paano ba ang itsura ng Xero and kung saan mo ba makikita yung different features ng Xero. Lalo na kung newbie ka. Guys, pag sinabi nating chart of accounts, napaka-important nito pagdating sa accounting and sa bookkeeping. Kasi yung chart of account is yung ginagamit natin para makapag-record tayo ng transaction ng business. Mapa-income man yan, or mapa-expenses man yan, asset, liabilities, or equity man yan. Actually, kapag nakapag-create na kayo ng Xero account nyo or ng Xero account ng client nyo, meron na yung existing chart of accounts. So, it really depends to you kung i-edit mo pa ba siya or mag-upload ka pa ng panibagong chart of accounts. So, para makita mo ang chart of accounts ng Xero, please make sure na nakalagin ka. Of course, that's the first step. And then, all you have to do is to go to accounting and then click mo lang yung advance. Once na nasa advance ka na, hanapin mo yung chart of accounts and then i-click mo yan. And then, boom! That's it. Ito na po yung ating chart of accounts. So, makikita nyo dyan. So, sa chart of accounts, meron dyang add account, add bank account, print PDF, import and export. So, meron din tayo dyang all accounts. Pag sinabing all accounts, any kinds of account nandyan, mapa-asset man yan, mapa-liabilities, equity, revenue, or expenses, nandyan yan. So, meron din naman tayong solo tab para sa assets, ganun din sa liabilities, equity, expenses, revenue, and then yung archive. Pag sinabi nating archive, lahat ng chart of accounts na dinelete mo or in-archive mo is dito mo matatagpuan sa archive. Okay. And then, pwede ka rin mag-delete, mag-archive, and mag-change ng tax rate ng account category mo dito sa chart of accounts. Okay. So, there are two ways para makapag-upload or makapag-create ka ng chart of accounts sa Xero. The first one is by creating or adding a account category sa Xero. So, ito yung parang isahan. Kumbaga, isang account lang gagawin mo and then next one and then the next. As in, isa-isa mo siya lang gagawin. So, all you have to do is to click yung add account. And then, pag click mo yan, makikita mo dyan yung account type. Pag sinabi nating account type, ito yung sinasabi nating asset, liabilities, equity, revenue, and then expenses. So, pag click mo yan, itong arrow down, meron dyang current asset, fixed asset, inventory, non-current asset, equity, depreciation, direct cost, expenses, overhead, liabilities, yung current and non-current, and then sa revenue, meron tayong other revenue, other income, and sales. So, piliin mo lang kung anong klase ng account yung ginagawa mo. And then, after nyan, you have to enter also yung account code. So, yung account code natin is parang unique number siya sa bawat account category na ginagawa mo. And then, isang number is isang beses mo lang din pwedeng gamitin. And then, yung maximum na number na digits na pwede mong gamitin is up to 10 characters. Actually, hindi siya number. Pwede rin dyang combination ng letters and numbers. So, maximum niya is 10 characters. Okay? So, for example, ilalagay ko account code is 1,000. Once na na-enter ko yung 1,000 na yan, malalaman ko yung 1,000 na code na yun ba inagamit ko na or hindi pa. So, as you can see, nung clinic ko yung 1,000, sinabi ng Xero na yung 1,000 is available. Meaning, never ko pa siyang nagamit dito sa Xero. Pero kung halimbawa, maglagay ako ng another number, 270. For example, sasabihin na Xero din kung not available ba yung number na yon, meaning nagamit ko na siya before. At sinasabi ni Xero dito na yung 270 is nagamit ko na daw, which is interest income. So, I have to choose another number na hindi ko pa nagamit before. Okay? Actually, sa code, pwede mo yung i-arrange. Depende sa'yo kung paano ka-organize. Kasi ako ang ginagawa ko dyan. For example, lahat ng asset ko, 1,000. Lahat ng liabilities ko, magsisimula sa 2,000. So, kung meron akong 5 accounts na liabilities, edi 2001, 2002, 3, 4, 5. So, ganun siya. Ganun din sa equity. Kung lahat ng equity ko is 3,000, lahat ng expenses ko is 4,000, lahat ng income ko is 5,000. So, ganun siya. Depende yan sa iyo. And depende ba rin, syempre, sa magiging clients mo. And then, kung makikita nyo, meron din tayo dito short title for account, which is yung account name. So, limited lang siya sa 150 characters. So, ito yung, for example, pwede yung food and beverages, accommodation, overseas traveling, local traveling, internet, utilities, so ganun siya. And then, meron din tayo ditong description, which is optional. So, pwede mong, for example, ang ginawa mong category is overseas traveling. So, gusto mo lagyan ng description, pwede mong sabihin na expenses incurred sa while traveling abroad or while traveling outside the country. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan. Pero this is optional. So, madalas hindi ko siya nilalagyan. Pero kung gusto mo lagyan, pwede naman para mas lalong clear kung para saan ba yung account name na yon. Okay? And then, meron din tayo ditong tax. So, yung tax is yung magiging default settings para dun sa account na kine-create mo. So, paano mo malalaman kung anong tax rate yung gagamitin mo? Siyempre, tanong mo siya, meron ba siyang tax rate? Kung wala, they good, para mas madali. Kung meron, so you have to ask kung anong tax rate na gagamitin mo. And then, as you can see, meron din tayo ditong 3 checks box. The first one is show on dashboard watch list. Pag sinabi nating show on dashboard watch list, once na i-click mo yan, and i-click mo yung save, makikita mo yung account na yon dito sa dashboard mo. Dito sa dashboard, makikita mo dyan yung halimbawa, total amount na na-spend mo na para dun sa category na yon, for example lang. And then, meron din tayong show and expense claims. So, sinabi natin expense claims, once na i-click mo yan, mapapasama itong account na to sa mga expenses na makiklaims ng client mo. And then, meron tayo yung last, but not the least, yung enable payments to this account. For example, nag-create ka ng clearing accounts, which is current asset. And gusto mo na, so pag clinic mo tong enable payments, meaning na-allow mo na once na may invoice ka or bills ka, pwede mo siya bayaran through your clearing account. Okay, so once you're done, all you have to do is to click save. And then that's it. So yun yung first way para makapag-create ka ng chart of accounts na isa-isa talaga. So there's a way din also para makapag-import ka in bulk, meaning isang uploadan and then boom, andun na lahat yung account category mo. So all you have to do is to import. So click mo lang yung import button and then meron dito sa right side, makikita mo is yung chart of account CSV file. So make sure na i-download mo yan para malaman mo kung ano ba yung pattern na tinatanggap ni Xero. So once na ma-download mo yan, so try natin i-download para makita nyo. Once na i-download mo yan, makikita mo dyan code, name, type. So, this is yung example ng CSV file. So, pwede mo yung paltan, i-delete mo lahat, and paltan mo na bagong chart of accounts mo. So, make sure na meron kang code, name, type, tax code. So, yun yung importante. Lahat na may asterisk dyan, meaning, yun yung required. Pero yung the rest, hindi na siya required. So, you can ignore the rest. Okay? And then, meron tayong makikita dito na what system are you importing from? So, Xero. So, click mo lang yan. Do the files you are importing contain accounts balances? So, kung meron, you have to click yes. And kung wala, no, I don't know yung pipiliin mo. Account balances meaning, for example, this is not the first year of your accounting period ng client mo, then possible na meron yung AFS from the previous accountant or previous accounting software. Hingin mo yung kay client mo, and then once na mag-import ka ng chart of accounts, i-include mo yung beginning balances na iyon. Okay? And then, so, para ma-import mo yan, click mo si browse, and then piliin mo yung file, make sure na naka-CSV format siya, and then import. Then may magno-notify dyan kung ilang account category yung ina-upload mo, ilan yung duplicate, at ilan yung i-archive niya. So once done, all you have to do is to click OK. And then that's it. Yun yung dalawang way na makapag-upload or import ka ng chart of account. Yung isa yung by clicking yung add account, and the second one is yung pag-i-import through a CSV file. Okay. So, balik tayo dito sa chart of accounts. For example, meron kang existing account pero gusto mo siyang i-edit. Halimbawa, itong si other revenue, gusto mo siyang i-edit at palitan mo siya ng other income. Para ma-edit mo yan, all you have to do is to click yung other revenue, and then kung ang gusto mo na pagbaguhin yung pangalan niya at gusto mo siyang gawing other income, all you have to do is yung delete yung revenue, and then palitan mo ng income. And then once you're ready, click save, and that's it. Makikita mo na nabago na yung other revenue to other income. And then, syempre, pwede ka rin mag-delete ng account. For example, hindi mo naman kailangan si Travel International. Hindi mo siya kailangan. Click mo lang yan, and then click mo yung delete. Once na i-click mo yon, may lalabas dyan na parang tatanong ka niya, are you sure na gusto mong i-delete tong account na yun? And then okay mo lang, and then that's it. Mawawala na siya dito sa chart of accounts mo. So that's it. And then pwede ka rin itong mag-archive and change tax rate. So yun yung way para makapag-upload ka ng chart of accounts. Dito sa chart of accounts, pwede ka rin mag-search. So, halimbawa, gusto mo lang hanapin si office expense, hanapin mo. Pwede ka mag-search dyan. So, type mo lang dito sa search box, type mo yung office expense, and then click mo lang yung search or enter, and then that's it. Makikita mo dyan si office expense. I hope this video will guide you sa inyong freelancing career, lalo na kung gusto nyo maging bookkeeper and gusto nyo matutunan ng Xero. So, mag-upload tayo ng maraming pang Xero tutorial in the future. So, please keep an eye on that. And then, for the one-on-one tutorial winner, please keep an eye po sa ating Facebook page kasi doon po ipopost yung one-on-one tutorial winner ko. So, yeah. See you on my next video.
Bye!